guys, thank you for all the support for our channel and taking us seriously.
Thank you for watching us and supporting us a ton. We really appreciate it. Thank you for all your support, guys.
Today, we'll be talking about 0 miles and environmental sustainability.
Before we can teach you about 0 miles, we first need to teach you about food miles.
Do you know what is food miles?
Food miles is the distance your food, when you buy it, travels from the greenhouse or farm to your home.
Food transport can release a lot of carbon emissions.
So do you know what does it mean to have a 0 mile diet? It means you have to grow all the food that you eat by yourself. You have to grow it.
By growing your own food, you will be in control of food security.
Growing your food, you will reduce carbon footprint and help the earth.
This is what our ancestors did. They fed themselves. Number 1, they used organic growing methods.
Number 2, our ancestors grew all year round.
Number 3, they saved the seeds for the next year's garden.
Number 4, they used seasonal foods in their cooking and diet. For example, the mango. In India, mango is grown in the summer. Our ancestors ate mangoes in summer.
Number 5, they preserved the food that they harvested to use later.
Our parents are from India, and they come from farming families.
My dad's family grows their own food even today.
Guys, today we're going to show you the benefits of 0 mile diet.
Benefit 1, it's very cheap and costs you little bit of money, including the seeds and the pots and the soil. You need to invest a little bit of time for the plants, but it's a very fun activity and nice. It's like meditation and yoga and like reading a very nice book.
Now, benefit number 2, you have complete control of your plants. So you can do anything with them. You can use organic fertilizers, not those pesticides or harmful chemicals on your plants, because remember, you're eating those plants and you don't want those chemicals to go into your body because they're harmful for you.
Benefit number 3, when you grow your food, it means that you don't need to go to any stores, any food stores, or anywhere because you already have food at your home. It's very convenient.
So how do you be on a 0 mile diet inside like a small condo or apartment?
Or living in a cold climate like us?
How do you grow your food over these adverse conditions?
That brings us to urban gardening.
According to a United Nations report, more than 50% of the world's population live in cities.
Over 80% of people live in cities in Canada. People that live in cities are dependent on people that grow fruit in farms or greenhouses.
And if you live in like a small house or apartment building, then there are a few ways to grow your own food and be sustainable.
Think about one vegetable, one herb, or one fruit that you can grow in your house. Pick one vegetable, one herb, or one fruit that you use every day in your diet. Ask yourself, can you grow that in your home?
So guys, if you think about planting food in your home, then the answer is yes.
But where is the space in your house or home?
So guys, think, do you have a balcony or a terrace or a window that provides some sunlight? Because then you can grow some plants there.
There's always gonna be some place to grow your plants. All you need to do is just look around for it.
We made this channel so we can motivate you to make Earth carbon zero by you growing your own food.
We'll be showing our experiences of growing plants in small spaces.
So guys, we are not experts, but we are enthusiastic learners.
This channel will be about our journey of you and our experiences of food growing.
So guys, 2020 has come to an end, and we wish you all a happy new year. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, share this to your friends and motivate them to be on a 0 mile diet.
And guys, just before this video ends, we all appreciate you for all the support and all the subscribers that we gained.
Happy New Year!